Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey Johnson. I am super excited to be back with this banger. I call it a banger because my eyes are popping. Yeah. So today I have for you a pink aloe makeup look. This is a very gorgeous look. I love the fact that I have purple playing on right here, and then this pink is just like a dot, a spotlight just shining bright on top of the eel. My face is the eel, right? So I want you guys to sit back and let us create this look together. You can wear this look for a dinner, for a wedding, for an evening event. It is really, really gorgeous. And do not mind to pack your hair like this if you have braids on, just so that the look is complete. Thank you so much. Stick with me and let's ride on this together. Starting on my brows with my Eversheen pencil. And then I'll be using my Maybelline foundation in Coconut 355 for my brows. I'll also be using LA Girl concealer in Warm Honey for my brows. I'm just going to prep my eyes with the same concealer. I'm just going to apply some foundation on my brows to soften it so it doesn't look too dark. I could choose to use a brighter shade of pencil, but I like it dark and just sweep this foundation or a brow gel on my brows. So I'll be using this Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'll be picking on this purple color as my transition color. I really love this combination of purple and pink. Next, I'll be using this white pencil by NYX for these areas. Next, I'll be highlighting my brow bone with this Sasha Butter Cosmetic Powder. Next, I'll be using this Juvia's Place Mini Magic Palette. I'll be using this deep purple, it looks bluish, just so that these areas can be a bit more dark and this can pop more. Next is my LA Color eyeliner in black. And I'll be using my Brook pencil in black. Next, I'll be using this mascara by Zara Cosmetics. Next, I'm using this black opal in Carob for my contour. I just want my face a bit more snatched. While this is setting, I'm going to use my contour powder by Maybelline Super Stay 375 Java. Using my powder brush to brush up the excess. I'm just going to go to my powder by Milani. I love this powder so much. It gives me a matte finish and it is warm 109. I'm just using it to merge my highlights and my contour together. Next is my Master Chrome by Maybelline highlighter. So I'll be using the same pink for my blush. You just have to take very little. So while my lashes is prepping, I'll just finish up with my eyes. Next, I'll be using this pencil by Zara Cosmetics in Cappuccino. And my concealer as a base. It can actually serve as your lipstick. Next, I'll be taking this pink lipstick. It is very bright as my lip color by Bleach Cosmetics.